Check out this vintage Coach Murphy bag. Looking sad and slumped. Let's bring it back to life. First, I'm removing the hardware, just a quick twist of the screws, and using a butter knife to gently pry off the prongs. Now inside, I'm brushing through the suede interior to lift off any dirt and debris, then using a lint trimmer to get rid of the excess fuzz. Time to clean the leather. I'm working in sections, wiping away as I go. This is exactly what the bag needed. Now that it's squeaky clean, we're going to move on to the hardware using Brasso and a polishing cloth to bring back that gorgeous shine. Lastly, Murphy just needs a good old rub and buff. Well, here is the bag before. Take a look at it now. Looking smooth, fresh, and full of life again. This vintage Coach Murphy bag got a second chance. Thanks for watching. New video every Thursday.